Come along, let's do some math. Subtraction fun is on our path. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Hooray! Let's subtract numbers every day. Bese unan 5 menos 1 equals 4. Clap your hands for minus 1 equals 3. Now jump and stand. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Spin around. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Jump up and down. Chorus, subtract, subtract. Numbers together, learn subtraction. It's fun forever. Count with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Math with songs is so much fun. Verse 2, 10. Minus 2 equals 8. Clap once more. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Let's explore. 6 2 2 equals 4. Tap your feet. 4 2 2 equals 2. Numbers are sweet. 2 2 2 equals 0. Hooray, we win. Subtraction fun begins again. Final chorus. Subtract, subtract. Numbers together. Learning subtraction is fun forever. 5 to 2, 10 to 2, 8 to 3, 6 to 2. Math is fun for me and you.